Live on Showbiz Central, we are still here with the final four castaways of Celebrity Survivor and of course the jury members and our host Richard Gutierrez. Now before we took the break, we asked Chard ang katanungan na ito. Chard, since day one andun ka sa isla kasama ang ating final four castaways, sa iyong observation lang naman, sa tingin mo ba, babae o lalaki ang mananalo?
Bago ang lahat, gusto kong pasalamatan ng lahat na sumuporta sa Survivor Philippines. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ako may mga sarili akong observation based on how the game was played. Of course, nakikita natin may dalawang babae at dalawang lalaki sa ating top 4. It could go anyway for me. Siyempre may mga sarili akong assessment at meron din akong sariling mga hula kung sino kaya ang pwedeng manalo. Pero siyempre, sa larong Survivor, hindi talaga natin malalaman kung sinong mananalo dahil nasa kamay nga ng mga jury members. Hindi ba?
Okay.
Para sa akin lang, itong apat na nandito ngayon, para sa akin lahat sila deserving manalo. Dahil lahat naman kami, lahat sila naghirap at lahat sila nagsakripisyo. It just depends kung paano nila nilaro yung Survivor. Pero lahat sila dumaan sa hirap para makarating dyan.
Char, there were certain people who got voted off, no? Were there some choices na parang didn't quite agree with your personal...
Parang nung ina-announce mo yung pangalan nila, parang nanghihinayang ka ba?
Oo.
Meron syempre, meron mga ganun. Syempre dahil nakita ko rin kung paano nilaro yung mga challenges at nakita ko yung mga personalities nila. Syempre, tuwing may na-vote out, lalo na kung gusto ko yung castaway na yon, syempre nalulungkot ako pero hindi ko rin pwede ipakita, di ba?
Okay.
Pero meron sa mga jury members who really worked hard and also deserved to
Pero
be
ito
here.
na lang, at least masaya ka because Solenn is still here. Sauce, join us here, Sauce. It's your time to choose.
Solenn's up next.
There. Nanay Elma. Okay, alam ko magka-tribo kayo since day one, di ba? So, anong gusto mong itanong kay Nanay Elma, Sauce?
Okay, everyone has prejudgments of me. Kasi iniisip nila maarte ako or kasi socialite ako, model ako. So, were you one of them? Tapos anong sasabi mo nang dito na ako?
Ikaw ba, nung nakita mo una si Solenn, Nanay Elma, sa tingin mo ba maarte siya? Tapos nagulat ka ba na ganun pala si Solenn?
Na-shock nga ako kasi yung parang hindi mo akalain ganyan ka-sexy. Ang ganda ng, naku, pati mukha, nandoon na lahat. Wala na ako maipintas. Talagang, sabi ko parang sayang dahil masisira yung beauty niya, sumali. Kasi hindi ko akalain walang arte, walang kemi. Kahit doon na lang sa mga elemento. Saka, believe ako, talagang mabait. From Samagan pa lang, trabaho din siya, trabaho din ako. Basta nakita niyo naman walang intriga doon sa aming tribo. So talagang masaya talaga para kay Solenn kasi yung aming tribo na pinagmulan talagang, Lord, thank you.
Salamat, Nanay Elma.
Chard, you've been friends with Solenn for such a long time. Did you think that she would have it in her to last this long? As in final four of this competition that's so tough, mentally and physically.
Maraming nagulat, kasama na ako doon, syempre, dahil hindi ko rin...
Even you, hello?
Hindi ko nga in-expect na tatagal siya. Hindi ko in-expect na
Sauce, dito ka
tatagal siya,
na.
pero nagulat nga kaming lahat, syempre, pati yung mga kaibigan namin, sila Raymond, nagulat na tumagal si Solenn. Ayun, siguro Solenn wanted to prove a point to everybody.
And what
Nagawa niya,
strong
di ba?
point
Actually,
she's
can
proven.
I just share, nung nagpaalis na si Solenn, nagkaroon kami ng parang despedida for her. Pero sabi namin, Sauce, we'll see you in 5 days. Kasi kala talaga namin siya yung unang matatanggal.
And I
Oo.
remember when I interviewed Solenn back then, ang gusto lang niya talaga mangyari is to lose weight. This is the reason why she entered the contest, not knowing that she would end up in the final four and be in the standings
Yes.
for 3 million pesos.
Yun na nga, mapunta tayo dun sa 3 million pesos. On a serious note naman, because marami nagsasabi na kumukestyon, bakit mananalo si Solenn na hindi naman daw niya kailangan yung pera? What can you say about that?
Well, first of all, you join Survivor because you want the experience, and then maybe some want the prize. But you shouldn't be judged on like where you come from, because when we work on the island, we all start with the same things on our back. We all wear the same clothes. We're all the same person, so you shouldn't be judged. And like, I'm not saying also what I'm gonna do with the money or who I'm gonna help, because it shouldn't matter. It's the title they're giving away, not even if there's 3 million pesos.
I think we're
Okay.
passing up the obvious questions here, though, Raymond. So many things have been written about the two of you. So many people are asking, ano ba talaga ang totoong score between the two of you, Richard and Solen? Ang daming gustong makitang to see you guys finally together. What's
Ay,
the
may
score?
mga fans. May mga banners na.
May soul shard na ano, paano ba yun?
Grabe.
Solid shard?
Ayan, okay.
I think I can speak for the two of us. We're just enjoying time together right now. And that's it.
And does that agree with you?
Yeah, with, yeah.
Ikaw talaga yung sumasagot.
Better.
Yeah, we're friends and yun.
Also, let's not put any pressure, di ba, Pia?
Yeah,
Speechless
lagi
na
na
si
kami,
Richard
lagi kami
Gutierrez.
tinatanong kahit saan ako magpunta yun ang tanong. So, ilang beses ko na rin nasagot yan.
You've
di ba?
run out of interesting ways to answer it.
Yes. So
Pero
let's keep it short and simple.
Another
We're friends.
question kay Solen, kasi marami nagsasabi na when you joined Survivor, you mentioned in your earlier interviews na you won't join showbiz afterwards. Pero ngayon, maraming bulong-bulungan at maraming nasusulat na after Survivor daw, may mga naka-line up ka na projects.
That is true. I didn't want to enter showbiz at first. I just wanted to launch a music career. And then I had a lot of offers. Tapos you can't really reject the fact that you're being paired with Mr. Richard Gutierrez.
Okay, so you'll be paired with Chard. We can announce that.
Yeah, you can announce that.
Okay, there you go.
Balita
Something to
na
look forward to.
That she's going to be part of Captain Barbell.
Yes.
All right. Congratulations, Solen, for making it to the Final Four. We have one more survivor here.
With the one and only Aubrey Miles. Dito ka na, ang pasimuno. Well, we have one name left, okay?
Ang hulaan ko, wait lang.
pero buksan na natin para official.
Okay, ayan, official.
John
Moy!
Hall.
Ay, si John.
Tignan mo
Okay.
nga naman.
Eto na, anong gusto mong itanong kay John Hall?
Okay, do you believe I play this game as evil as other people say?
For me, like I said, the whole time nasa jury house ako, I was telling everyone, magaling si Aubrey. She played really, really well. But for me, I don't think you played evil, but parang you took it a bit personal by saying things that had nothing to do with the game. Even when I was out of the game, my name was still coming out of your mouth. And I thought it was a low blow. But the way you played, congratulations, you played very well.
Okay, anong masasabi mo doon?
By the way, yes, I want to say sorry that you're here. I want to say sorry about that. And I texted you guys. And I don't mind not you texting me back because I know I want to give you time.
Wala akong load.
And, you know, I was wrong. And sinabi ko nga kay Michelle na kahit ilang interview pa, I want to say sorry kasi nga, medyo sobrang siguro bored na kami, nadamay na kung sino-sino. Alam mo, wala na kami masabi.
Wala masyadong magawa sa isla. eh.
Oo, kasalanan ko talaga yun. Yun
Okay.
na yun.
Pero Aubrey, every time I mention your name, there's always two sides eh. It's either, ang galing ni Aubrey na manipulate niya lahat, or, I hate Aubrey, she manipulated everybody. How do you feel about that?
Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit manipulate. Kasi I'm playing the game. Siguro
Okay.
yung ibang tao, feeling nila, ginugulo ko. Kundi ang nagkataon lang ng mga time na yon, ako lang yung laging parang one step ahead na, oh guys, do you want this? Lahat naman nag-agree. Wala akong pinilit na, hoy, iboto mo to. Wala akong pinilit. Lahat talaga nag-agree.
Well, I
Okay.
think something's got to be said about the fact that Aubrey is such a go-getter.
Yes, and she's here to prove it, diba? She's in the Final Four. Congratulations to you, Aubrey.
Thank you.
Can we take your
Richard,
seat?
your final thoughts on our Final Four here.
Chard, and your advice na lang to them.
Advice, nasabi ko na lahat ng pwede ko sabihin sa jury members. Choose wisely, di ba? At huwag kayo magpapadala sa mga sabi-sabi. Kung ano yung nasa puso nyo, yun ang ilagay nyo dun sa Friday. Sa live voting sa December 3, live finale ng Survivor Philippines Celebrity Showdown. Tutok lang po kayo dyan. Maraming pong mga twist na mangyayari dyan magaganap. Maraming salamat sa sponsors sa Bench, Flawless at Bench Time for my watch. Thanks. Survivor Philippines finale December 3.
December 3, live na po ang botohan. Thank you so much to our jury members. Thank you so much to our Final Four.
I just want to promote my magazine.
Go
Naka
for it,
FHM.
Obs.
For Ladies Confession po, get a copy. Out na siya.
There you go. Thank you so much, Chard.
Thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you, Showbiz Central.
At
Gusto lang mag-hi si Tito
mga
ko, Tito
kapuso,
Toto.
Christmas is right around the corner at para hindi kayo maipit sa dagsang Christmas shoppers, by December, complete your early Christmas shopping at Noel Bazaar from November 24 to 29 sa World Trade Center. The rare finds featured there are pulled together for the benefit of the GMA Kapuso Foundation, Bantayog, and AMA. Magbabalik pa po ang Showbiz Central. Please stay with us.